Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole the easy way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe avocados, 1 small lime, a quarter of a red onion, some fresh cilantro, and a bit of salt. Selecting perfectly ripe avocados is crucial for a creamy texture, so look for ones that are firm but give slightly when pressed. Now let's get everything prepped. Carefully cut your avocados in half, remove the pits and scoop the vibrant green flesh into a bowl. Next, finely dice a small amount of red onion. About 1/4 of a small one is usually perfect. Finally, chop up 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. These simple steps lay the foundation for amazing flavor. It's time to bring it all together. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some like it chunky, others smooth. Then, add your diced onion and chopped cilantro. Squeeze in the juice from 1/2 of a lime for that essential brightness. Finish with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, mix well and taste. Give everything a final stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning. Perhaps a little more lime for tang or a pinch more salt. Serve your delicious, homemade guacamole right away with your favorite tortilla chips or fresh vegetables. Enjoy this simple, flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.